ABI, Arena Breakout Infinite, and where you extract, shoot, kill, and survive. That's it, bye. Oh, just for a reminder, I get a very shitty mic and a very shitty voice, so also, English is not my first language. You might caught up on that on my intro. Not a bad fun behind open storage, going straight to small hall and see what we can get there. Like any other day, I didn't get shit. Well, at least I got something, right?
Kaso ping, no? Sniper yun.
We just decided that we're gonna camp out in stables. Looks like camping on stables was a good idea.
May naka-SB. May naka-SBD dire. Ikaw bala sa babaw. Ikaw bala sa
Now
babaw.
slowly moving in outside of the house to camp and rat
Isa
out
lang sniper yung
whoever
mountain.
is gonna go in our way. Well, probably. If
Hindi na ko makita
it
ya
works
uli.
out, but hey,
Sa mo didi?
it might not, right? I think this is the perfect time to say this because it's a long clip when I was editing it. I'm not good at ABI, okay? I have like a 300 hours in the game, and you might be wondering, 300? Well, that's good enough. Believe me, it's not good enough.
Napadali. I-push, i-push, i-push. Doka bok, doka bok.
I don't see shit, man. Where?
Sniper ka?
Nope.
Oh, naka-scope. Pwede ka lang sa second floor.
Like I said, nope. Fucking shut the hell out of those two
Chase.
bots.
Awa na dia. Ay, bot dito. Aloko na. Bot? Orot yung bala da. SBD mo, ginatira ko. Ikaw ginatira na, SBD. At, at nga na lang. Artificial leg ko. Atras dia, awa na dia. Sandwich ka ron.
You just said camp them out.
Dali man to, dapit sa kuha ka. Pagdalag og magasinod, extra ba para og mahurot. Bisag 30 rounds na ng extra nga magasin. May naka-SBD.
Yeah. Let's just fucking reload in a fucking open area. Great plan. This is why we always get killed.
Patay daw yung naka-SBD. Na. Highway, highway. Ah, highway. Babaw, babaw. Tira, makita niyo ma. Tira, maka-backstab ko nila. Lagan da yun, pagtira niyo mo. Pwede na ako malikod. Tara, tara.
I don't fucking see them for me to shoot, man.
Galot siya, galot. Okay, Granada, Granada ba? Tinatira siya sa SBD. Tinatira siya sa SBD. Patay, patay, patay. Yung nakuha niya tong sniper nga ako napatay. Nakuha. Nagamit niya yung 110. Tara, tara. Ah, dili, duwa dito. Duwa na siya, goyog, oh. Nakaratrat ang isa.
Let's go and kill them then.
Patay na, patay na. Negative, negative na. Mo dito, garat-rat tayo sila kay... Pabantay sa likod, ah. Maka-speed.
This is another long clip, and I don't know what to say, so I would really appreciate it if you leave a comment on my editing skills, on what to do, like tips and tricks, so that I can improve my videos. But hey, this is my first bit, so it might be not that bad.
Girat-rata lang ako to niya. Usa 60 rounds wa na hurot. Kasi naka T5 to or T6. Gahi ay patsyod. Sa bag. Ha? Mapol mo na yung pixel? Wala na ito na kay SBD. Nakuha niya mo? Ah, dili. Na, ang... Mama nagapatay ni... Agad pa kayo na. Yung na Granada. Yung meron bugay mga bag ba? Tara na. Mamatay pa to dito. Di makuha tanan eh. Di kaigo. Dagan ka na kayo mountain. Panda, scope lang. Da, ano no? 2 million ra. Yung mga. Di kaigo.